How war moves the stock market and the three stocks rising because of it. When war breaks out, most people think about politics. Smart investors think about markets, because every global conflict creates winners and losers. Wars don't just happen on battlefields, they ripple through the global economy. Supply chains break, oil prices spike, and entire industries shift overnight. And while markets panic, some stocks quietly surge. Modern economies depend on global trade. When conflict hits key regions, shipping slows, factories stop, costs rise. Companies that rely on cheap imports suffer, while local producers gain power. Energy is the lifeblood of the economy. When war threatens oil supply, prices surge instantly. And when oil rises, everything becomes more expensive. Governments respond to uncertainty the same way. They spend more on defense, and that money flows directly into defense companies, boosting their revenues for years. So while most investors panic, smart money asks one question: who benefits? When tensions rise, defense companies don't just survive, they thrive. Governments sign massive contracts, locking in long-term revenue. These companies don't depend on consumer demand, they depend on global fear. As oil prices spike, energy companies see immediate profit increases. Higher prices, same production, means bigger margins. In times of crisis, oil becomes one of the most powerful assets in the market. Modern wars aren't just physical, they're digital. Cyber attacks increase during global tensions, targeting governments, banks, and infrastructure. And cybersecurity companies become essential overnight. Here's the uncomfortable truth: markets don't care about emotions. They react to money, risk, and opportunity. In every major conflict in history, markets dropped first, then adapted, and eventually, new winners emerged. So the next time headlines talk about war, don't just ask what's happening, ask what it's changing. Because in the stock market, the biggest opportunities often come from the biggest uncertainties.